Welcome to The Backpacker. Pack your bags with us. 5 places in India where you can touch the clouds. Nandi Hills, or Nandi Durg, is a hill fortress in the South Indian state of Karnataka. This is a set of breathtaking hillocks which is a complete nature retreat. From cycling and paragliding into the stunning mount to the Yoganandishwara temple that sits atop the hill with a huge Nandi statue, these small mounds have a lot to offer. Even the name of the hills was coined after the temple statue. Triund Trek. Moderate McLeodganj to Triund 2,800 meters, 9 kilometers gradual trek. The trek offers panoramic views Bhagasu village, McLeodganj, Dharamshala valley and distant views of Shivalik hills and plains of Kangra valley. The trek is moderate nature. Triund is a large land of green grass and pasture-like. One can see the mighty Dhauladhar ranges just above the eyes. This is the base camp and climatization point for trekkers climbing the Indrahara point in the Mount Dhauladhar. Pelling Hills. Pelling is lovely hill station in Sikkim, worthy of featuring on your itinerary of Sikkim. A day or two is enough to explore the beautiful town tucked away in the Himalayas. No matter where you are in this town, you can see the snow-capped Kanchenjunga range on the horizon. From laid-back travelers to adventure seekers, Pelling suits the soul, while offering plenty to keep you company. Duke's Nose. Nestled between Lonavala and Khandala, Duke's Nose is a trekker's paradise for all the adventure enthusiasts. It's being renamed after Sir Duke Wellington's pointed nose. Another name for Duke's Nose Point is Nagpani, as the cliff forms the shape of hooded snake. Roaring winds and misty fog makes the trekking trail an adventurous one. There is a Shiva temple at the summit, where one can stand and witness the breathtaking views. Just be there to capture the panoramic view of Western Ghats. Mumbai, Pune Expressway and juggling trains. Indulge in some adventure to get away with weekday chaos. Kudremukh Peak. Rolling green hills, clouds kissing the mountains, forest trails, bamboo shrubs, and a dozen waterfalls. The Kudremukh Peak trek has it all. No wonder it is called the Himalayas of the South. The scenery keeps changing on the trek and will surely amaze anyone. Coming under the Chikmagalur district of Karnataka, the trek to Kudremukh is one of the most exciting treks in this region. It is the third highest peak after Mullayangiri and Baba Budhanagiri. Absorb the beauty of the Western Ghats as you walk up the trail. Very few people know the fact that the Western Ghats are considered a UNESCO World Heritage Site for the natural beauty and for being an icon of environmental balance. The lush greenery of the hills can never fail to mesmerize a soul. You'll cross several cascading waterfalls and narrow streams, thick forests with a variety of trees, and the whistling of birds will keep you entertained all throughout. And finally, when you reach the peak, the picturesque view from the top and the chill wind will absolutely blow you out of your mind and make you numb for a few minutes before you regain your consciousness to feel the enchanting magic of the place. So if you are bored with the city lights in Bangalore, then forget everything and join us for this weekend trek to Kudremukh and find yourself amidst nature. For tour booking, contact us 8290405227. Website www.thebackpacker.in. Follow us on Instagram thebackpacker.in. Email at contact thebackpacker@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.